everyone, this is Linda La Delicious Linda, and today we got a very interesting green smoothie recipe right here. Hi everyone, this is Linda La Delicious Linda, and today we have a very interesting smoothie recipe that I want to share with you guys. And this is a smoothie that doesn't have bananas or berries. So this smoothie recipe addresses a lot of concerns. One, it helps you maximize your green intake. Two, this is a very low sugar green smoothie recipe. It does not use bananas, it does not use berries. And three, this is acid watcher friendly and also GERD friendly. I mean, yeah, acid watcher is a GERD diet. And it's also fast track friendly as well. I'll list below in the description box the fermentation potential points for this if you're following the fast track diet. And lastly, this is like going to be one of the easiest recipes that I'll show you guys. It's perfect for moms who are busy or working women on the go. So it just addresses so many concerns. There's really, I guess, no excuse for not maximizing your green intake other than, I guess, taste. Like if you're really accustomed to super sweet food, this might not suit your palate, but to me it's fine. I mean, there's very subtle sweetness from the cucumber and watermelon. So I personally enjoy the taste, and I hope you will enjoy it too. So stay tuned and keep watching, and I'll teach you guys how I make this green smoothie recipe. So these are going to be all the ingredients I'm going to put in my green smoothie recipe. I have almond milk here, unsweetened, vanilla. So yeah, definitely a staple here. And then we have some greens here. This says spinach and arugula mix. We definitely need our greens, and here is a cucumber. This would add some water to our smoothie so it's easier to blend. Also, the almond milk will help with that as well. And then we have some watermelon here. These are pre-cut watermelon that I got at Safeway. Very convenient. This is like probably going to be the easiest recipe that I'm going to show you guys. Believe it or not, watermelon has lycopene. So if you have GERD or LPR and you're avoiding tomatoes, watermelon is a good lycopene content food that replaces that basically. But of course it doesn't taste like tomatoes. Again, just a super healthy, quick recipe. I sliced my cucumbers, and I'm not going to use the whole cucumber because I obviously can't fit the whole cucumber in my bullet blender. The ratio for this doesn't really matter. It's up to your taste. So I'm just going to like guesstimate here and use this amount of cucumbers, and you'll see what I'm going to do next. So there we have it, the cucumbers. It's quite filled. So if you want a sweeter smoothie, definitely use less cucumbers and then use more watermelon. Yeah, again, this is a very customizable recipe. You can do it any way to your liking. And there's my arugula and spinach mix in here. It's quite filled, as you can see, but that's because I'm not going to put any ice in it. And if you want to try this recipe on a hot summer day, which this recipe is definitely going to be very refreshing on a hot summer day with the cucumber and the watermelon, I suggest that you only fill the contents maybe 2/3 so that you have room for ice. But today we're not going to use ice. And there goes my bright red watermelon, high lycopene content. Last but not least, you need your almond milk. Shoom. Look at that almond milk go. There we go. You don't really need much because the cucumbers will liquefy and help the blender just kind of get moving. We got all of our greens here, and wow. So as you can see, the content has reduced a lot. I'm gonna add some more watermelon into it for added sweetness. Although I added the watermelon, you can't really see it because I only added 1 cube. And voila, it's pretty much done. So there we have it, our green smoothie. No bananas, no berries, very alkaline. This is acid washer and fast track friendly. I'll put in the fast track fermentation potential points in the description box below so you can calculate that. Very good, very refreshing. I can definitely taste the cucumber in it. It's not sweet like conventional green smoothies that you find in the supermarket. So if you're trying to lower your sugar intake while still maximizing your green, definitely make the smoothie. Very, very refreshing, in fact. Kind of almost tastes like cucumber water. In terms of smell, it kind of reminds me of, if you've ever, I don't know if Bath and Body Works still sells this, but it kind of reminds me of Bath and Body Works body spray, that the one scent that they have, which is ironically cucumber melon. That's what it reminds me of. Yep, cucumber melon. And I didn't put a lot of watermelon in it because I'm trying to watch my sugar intake. But if you definitely prefer a sweeter smoothie, add more watermelon to it or less greens. But overall, this is, you know, a green smoothie recipe. So you want to make sure that you're maximizing your green intake if that's your concern. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big like. Hold on one second. Give it a big like. Give this a big like. Comment down below. Share this video with your friends. And subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Giving this video a big like really helps this channel. One wonderful way to support this channel basically lets me and YouTube know that you enjoyed these kind of videos and you want to see more of this kind of thing, and also helps boost this video up in the search results. So definitely, if you do any of those things, the like button is very helpful. And yeah, take care. Bye. I love you guys. Take care. Bye. I love you guys.